Yo, what is up, my people? Back up on here to show you guys something cool, something that I kind of accidentally found out. So you can make your bookmarks just symbols. Like you can make the Facebook symbol, the Twitch symbol. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and the YouTube symbol, Instagram. So this will save up a lot of space on your bookmark. I think it looks pretty cool. So this is all you do. Watch. You right click it, go to edit, and you just delete the title. Hit save. There you got the little symbol right there. You just go to edit, delete that, and save. Now I got the YouTube symbol. Instagram, delete, save. eBay, delete, save. Amazon, delete, save. Now this, I'm going to leave it like that because sometimes I don't know what that symbol means. This is my Robinhood app. Gonna delete that. Save. This, I'm going to leave it like that. Put it over there. Put that over there. This, I'm going to leave it like that. PayPal. We all know what that symbol means. So put that over there. These are job applications that I put in. I'm just gonna leave those there, but these are all my main symbols right here, my main bookmarks, the ones I use constantly. So yeah, so if you like this tutorial, please hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like, and I'm out. So make your bookmarks nice and cool looking. Saves a lot of space. Peace out.